The Pago Gemini chair has been created to enhance your environment and your life. The Gemini chair can be admired from all angles, combining stunning design with a full suite of ergonomic features. Our aim is to seamlessly merge the worlds of home and office, providing fully ergonomic chairs that enhance your environment. With concealed levers adding an elegant touch, the Gemini is a perfect addition to any space. The Gemini chair has a posture-sure synchro mechanism with tension control, which adjusts easily to the user's weight and ensures correct posture and comfort for extended periods of use. The moulded foam seat is depth adjustable to accommodate a wide range of users. You can adjust the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Place your feet firmly on the floor and ensure there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. For shorter people, this may require a footrest. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever opens the posture-sure synchro mechanism. It can be locked upright or in a number of reclined positions. The third adjustment is the tension knob, which allows you to adjust the tension of the back. To make it easier to use, pull the knob out from under the seat. While seated, turn the knob backward to increase tension or forward to loosen it. Set the tension so that your body is in balance, firm enough to provide support, yet easy to recline without much effort. The back should effortlessly return you to the upright position. Once finished, reposition the knob under the seat. We recommend using the chair in the free float position or unlocked most of the day. Lock it in the most upright position for concentrated working. The right lever adjusts the seat slide, allowing you to extend or retract the seat to accommodate users with longer legs. The Gemini chair carries a 10-year warranty and has a Green Guard Gold certification, so you know it's environmentally friendly. Enjoy the exquisite Gemini chair by Pago and indulge in its captivating beauty. Thanks for watching.